In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva as a virtual assistant. If you work as a virtual assistant, you probably know that clients can send all kinds of design requests your way. One day it might be a social media graphic, the next day a presentation, a branded document, or a lead magnet. Managing all of that can feel overwhelming if your workflow is not organized. The good news is that Canva makes it much easier to manage multiple client projects. Keep branding consistent and collaborate without unnecessary back and forth. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Go to canva.com and sign in to your account. Once you arrive at your Canva homepage, take a moment to check that you are in the correct workspace. In the top left area, click your profile avatar or team dropdown and confirm that you are working in the right client environment. This is especially important if you manage more than one brand because it helps prevent mix-ups between assets, templates, and brand materials. Next, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Brand. From there, choose Add New Brand Kit and create a dedicated brand kit for your client. Inside this area, upload their logo files, add their approved fonts, and enter their brand colors. Setting this up properly saves a lot of time later because you will not have to guess which font or color to use every time you create something new. It also helps maintain a polished and professional look across every deliverable. Once the brand kit is ready, go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. Choose the format that matches your project, such as a presentation or an Instagram post. After the canvas opens, click Design on the left sidebar and select a template that fits the client's style. If this is something you may need again later, save the file as a reusable template so you can work faster on future projects without accidentally changing your original version. For feedback and collaboration, click on any text box, image, or page element in the design. Then use the comment option, either through the speech bubble icon or by right-clicking and selecting Comment. Add your note there so all feedback stays inside the project. This keeps communication clear and helps you avoid scattered revision requests. When the design is approved, click Share in the top right corner. In the sharing field, add the client's account information and choose the correct permission level, such as can edit or owner if needed. Then send the invitation so they can access the file directly. Before downloading, do a quick final check. Make sure everything is aligned using Canva's guides and keep your project title short and clear. Then click Share, choose Download, select PNG for digital use or PDF print for print materials, and download the final high-resolution file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.